Hi, cutie. Oh, did I get your attention? Hi, baby. Go play. Oh, you got chomped. Go play. Go play. No, go play. You were playing. You guys are so cute. Oh, you're funny babies. You were playing so cute. And then you saw me. What? What? You guys have a lot to say today. Yes, you do. What? What? Are you talking? Are you talking, babies? What is it, little girl? What? What? You're coming down to see me, I think. Yep, you are. Hi, baby. Are you coming down to see me, too? I bet you are. I bet you are. What? I know you know how to get down. I know you do. What? Oh, crikey, you're a cutie. What are you doing? Just being happy. What? Hi, baby. Oh, are you sad and pathetic? What, baby? What? What? You're killing me. You're killing me with the cute. Yes, you are. What? What? Where you going? What? I know you know how to come down. I do. Where you going, little guy? What are you thinking? You are so funny. Okay, I'll pet you. I'll pet you. I'll pet you. Is that what you wanted? Yeah. Oh, you have a cutie paw. That's a cutie paw. What, did I stop petting you? Oh, come on. I know you can get down. Come on. Where are you going? You thinking about getting up on the table? That's silly. You're so silly. You get down off that futon 100 times a day. What? What? You're very talky today. You're very talky. You gonna come down? Oh, silly baby. Come on. You are so funny. Should I lift you down? Oh my goodness. Come here, you. You're silly. You're ridiculous because you jump down all the time. Is that what you wanted? Is that what you wanted? You're silly. What? Oh boy, you're cute.